Hello children, how are you all? I hope you are all enjoying our online class. Today in this session, you are going to learn conversation and general awareness. In conversation, you are going to learn sight words, word of the day, talk about something, my favorite place. At last, you are going to learn how to complete worksheet number 5.
Hi kids, in this session you are going to learn sight words. May, from, has, some, no, have, come, so, want, can, his, her, but, are, with. Repeat after me kids. May, from, has, some, no, have, come, so, want, can, his, her, but, are, with. Practice the sight words kids. In this session we are going to see talk about something. The beach. Hi Ramu.
Hi John,
I can see some big rocks.
I can see some seashells.
There are some boats, sails on the water.
Oh, Ram, see there is a crab.
Some kids are playing near the water.
Ram, I feel hungry.
Hey, don't worry. Look, there are many shops. Come, let's go.
Come soon.
Now we are going to see my favorite place. My granny's home. Hi friends, happy morning to all. I am Meena. I am going to talk about my favorite place. I like to go to my granny's home. Every summer vacation, I spend my holidays in my granny's house. My granny tells interesting stories for me. My grandpa takes me to the shop and buys me many toys. My grandma prepares some delicious snacks. We spend some time together while gardening. I have lots of fun with my friends there. I love my grandparents very much. Thank you. Word of the day. Talk. She is talking. Talk politely. Why are you talking? Don't talk. This is your conversation worksheet number 5. Keep finger in Roman number 1. Choose and write the correct word. Now we are going to choose the correct word and we are going to write the word on the dash. Keep finger on 1. These, those are books. Look at here. The books are near to us. If the objects near to us means we have to write the word these. So, these are books. Write the word these on the dash. Capital letter T, H, E, S, E. These are books. Now keep finger on 2. These, those are marbles. Look at here. The marbles are near to us or far from us? It is far. The marbles are far. So we have to write the word those. Those are marbles. Write the word those. Write capital letter T, H, O, S, E. Those are marbles. Keep finger on 3. These, those are chairs. Look at the chairs. Are these chairs near or far from us? The chairs are near. So, we have to write the word these. T, H, E, S, E. These are chairs. Keep finger on 4. These, those are stars. Look at the stars. Are the stars near or far? The stars are far. So, we have to write the word those. T, H, O, S, E. Those are stars. Now, keep finger on 5. These, those are flowers. Look at the flowers. The flowers near or far? The flowers are near. So, we have to write the word these. Write the word these. T, H, E, S, E. These are flowers. Now, keep finger on Roman number 2. Match the sentence with the correct picture. Now, we are going to match the sentences to the correct picture. Keep finger on 1. My mother is cooking. My mother is cooking. Look at this side. See, here it is. My mother is cooking. Now, take your pencil. Keep your pencil here. Match the sentence. My mother is cooking to the picture. Now, keep finger on 2. She is skipping. She is skipping. Where is the picture skipping? See, here it is. She is skipping. Now, match it. She is skipping. Keep finger on 3. He is a doctor. He is a doctor. Where is the doctor picture? See here. Look at here. He is a doctor. Take a pencil. Keep your pencil here. Match the sentence. He is a doctor to the picture. He is a doctor. Now, keep finger on 4. It is a pen. It is a pen. Where is the picture of the pen? Here it is. Now, match the sentence. It is a pen to the picture pen. Now, keep finger on 5. The boy is flying the kite. The boy is flying the kite. Look at here. See here, the boy is flying the kite. Now, match the sentence. The boy is flying the kite to the picture. Now, turn the page. Keep finger on Roman number 3. Circle the correct picture. Circle the correct picture. Keep finger on 1. She is writing. She is writing. Look at these two pictures. Where is the picture of writing? Here it is. Now circle the picture. She is writing. Now keep finger on 2. The boy is riding the bicycle. The boy is riding the bicycle. Look at these two. Where is the picture of riding the bicycle? Here it is. Circle the picture. The boy is riding the bicycle. Now keep finger on 3. She is singing. She is singing. Look at these two pictures. See, she is singing. Circle the picture. We will see this worksheet in our Zoom class, kids. Bye.
In general awareness, you are going to learn about trees, shrubs, herbs, soil and parts of the plant. At last, you are going to learn how to do worksheet number 5. Come on children, let's get into the class. Children, as I told you before, in this class, you are going to learn about trees, shrubs, herbs. Shall we get into the class? Do you know what is trees? I know you are all familiar with trees. Trees. Trees are plants that are tall, big and strong. Next one, shrubs. Shrubs are small and bushy plants. Examples, rose, hibiscus and dulce. And the next one, herbs. Herbs are small plants. Their stems will be weak. That are called herbs. Examples, mint, coriander and spinach. Plants. Children, do you know the parts of the plants? What are the parts of the plants? Plant is consist of flowers, leaf, root, stem, buds, etc. Now, shall we see the parts of the plant? Yes. Leaf, flowers, fruit, stem, root. These are parts of the plant. Color the picture and paste stickers to label the parts of a plant. Children, you have to color the plant. You have to label this from the sticker page. We will be doing this exercise in our Zoom class. Children, this is your worksheet number 5. Roman number 1. Circle the healthy food. Number 1. See here, what are these? These are chocolate. This is milk. This is chips, potato chips. Now tell me, which is healthy food? Chocolates, milk or Lays, chips? Yes, you are right. Milk. Milk is a healthy food. So you have to circle milk. Number 2. Pizza, egg, ice cream. Now tell me, which is a healthy food? Pizza, egg or ice cream? Yes, egg. Egg is a healthy food. Number 3. Fruits, burger and bread. Which is healthy? Yes, you are right. Fruits. Fruits are healthy food. Number 4. Lollipop, French fries, chapati. Now tell me, which is a healthy food? Lollipop, French fries or chapatis? Yes, chapatis. Number 5. Cake, carrot, candy. Now tell me, which is a healthy food? Yes, carrot. Carrot is a healthy food. Now, turn the page. Roman number 2. Look at the picture and circle the correct word. Number 1. Can you guess who is he? He is a chef. Chef is a person who works in the hotel. See here, vegetable seller, chef. Which word is right? Vegetable seller or chef? Yes, chef. So you have to circle chef. Number 2, farmer. Farmer. Look at the words. Which one is farmer? Farmer, shopkeeper. Yes, you have to circle farmer. Number 3, who is he? He is a shopkeeper. Chef, shopkeeper. Which one you have to circle? Shopkeeper. Very good. Number 4, vegetable seller. Who is she? She is a vegetable seller. She is selling vegetables. Vegetable seller, farmer. Therefore, which one you have to circle? You have to circle vegetable seller. Roman number 3. Complete and color the picture. Children, look here. They have given a part of a picture. You have to complete the next part and have to color it. Shall we do it? Children, see, like this you have to complete the picture. Now you have to color the picture. Shall we color it? Take a red color. Give red for apples. And take green and color the tree. Also give brown for the trunk. Children, like this you have to finish. We will be doing this worksheet in our Zoom class. Hi children, did you all enjoy this online class? I hope so. We will meet you in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye bye.